Donald Trump's debate comments opened up the floodgates of women's issues on Twitter. I'm Mara Montalbano for Buzz60, and Donald Trump may have implied Fox News anchor Megyn Kelly was menstruating while moderating the first Republican presidential debate. If you missed it, Trump told CNN's Don Lemon that while questioning him during the debate, Kelly had, quote, blood coming out of her eyes, blood coming out of her wherever. Well, that comment birthed the hashtag periods are not an insult, and some hilarious comments to go along with it, like these. Just finished menstruating. I still don't like you. Guess it has nothing to do with my period. I'd rather bleed the rest of my life than have Donald Trump as president. If men got periods, you just know Donald Trump would brag his was the heaviest in history. This woman named her period after Trump, as in, my Donald is pretty heavy this month. Men are even having fun with the hashtag. This one said, periods are not an insult, but your hair is. I'll bet the Donald would kill for more hair insults right about now. Buzz60, now you know, pass it on.